My name is Stephen Ombego. I'm advocate of the Republic of Kenya, practicing as such under the name and style of Ombego and Company Advocates based in Eldoret. Now, we are here in relation to a death pertaining a 79-year-old granny who was allegedly murdered in a house somewhere in Uyoma, Masala. The allegations pertaining to this particular murder are that there is a suspect, namely Jacinta, who is being alleged to have sent two gentlemen to go and steal some chicken and maize from the deceased, the 79-year-old lady. Now, it's further alleged that these two gentlemen, namely Kwada and Kaba, I think that is their village names, they went to execute the plan. And in the process of executing the plan, they said Kwada confessed that they were seen by the accused. And it is from that perception that the person, the lady whoever sent them, Jacinta, instructed them to go and do away with the deceased on grounds that since the deceased have seen them, they are likely to be cited the following day. So I think acting on that instruction from the lady Jacinta, the main suspect in this murder charge, they went, raped this 79-year-old lady. Imagine a 79-year-old lady staying alone. This lady is actually cultivating her shamba while seated down. She sits while cultivating. She toils while she doesn't actually even have anything. And out of her sacrifice and struggle, she manages to get some 2 bags of maize. Then a woman who is just selling changa and bang in a village decide to send some rogue boys to go and kill the lady in the name of getting her the maize and the chicken that the lady wanted to eat chicken. The changa seller, the said Jacinta, wanted to eat chicken. So out of that, she sent the 2 boys to go and get her the chicken belonging to Nyanyangada, the deceased, from her house. And these boys went and broke through the house and stole the chicken, stole the maize, and all these items which were stolen were recovered in our main suspect's house, that is Jacinta. Unfortunately now, the reason why you see this entire crowd here is because this community struggled to have this suspect arrested. Then from Blues, they see the main suspect, Jacinta, and one of our accomplices by the name Kaba are roaming about in the village, saying that you cannot compete an elephant from what? Kupupu, eh? Yes, that she has a lot of money and you cannot compete her money. Imagine saying that where a death of a deceased 79-year-old lady is the subject of discussion. So I think it tormented the community and it forced this community to seek justice for this 79-year-old lady. And that is the reason why they sought for my services. We thank God that we had to rush to Aram police station to ensure that the accused, these 2 main suspects, are rearrested. We even went to Kisumu. Upon perusal of the ODPP's file, unfortunately, it happened that it is through the recommendation of the ODPP. That is why the main suspect here, Jacinta, and our accomplice, Kaba, were released. And they came back to the same community who arrested them, bragging and shouting that nobody can arrest them. They are above everyone else. I think now it is high time that people from my village must know that there is law and the law will catch up with you regardless of your position in the ground. And I want to thank Masala community for standing firm. And I want to assure you here, while standing at Siaya Law Courts, that Nyanyangada, the deceased, must get justice. Whether rain, whether sunshine, whether stones are falling, whether stones are cracking, Nyanyangada will and must get justice. And that is our decision. Thank you so much. This incident happened sometimes on 30th of July. And this year, it happened 30th of July this year. The accused were arrested, taken under miscellaneous in Madian, and how these miscellaneous were closed without the accused persons being charged formally before court to face the offenses of murder is still mysterious to us. And we are calling upon the DCIO Aram, together with ODPP, kindly explain to us how you managed to close the miscellaneous file against Jacinta and Kaba while using confession made by Kwada. You are charging Kwada, yet the same confession is saying that this particular incident was done together with the two suspects that you released. So we really want to know how Kaba and Kwada made it away from the police station. We really want to know. That is actually the reason why they have been rearrested. Because we are sure they participated in this thing, they are the master plans of this thing, and their release is actually an abuse to Masala community. Yes, someone is actually abusing this community, that something can be done and we will make a decision. We won't care what the community is feeling. We want to tell those holding public offices, we are under new constitutional dispensation, and any activity, any omission or commission that is geared towards frustrating the gains of this wonderful constitution, we shall highly oppose it. And we are ready to fight it. We are ready to chew bullets to ensure that our people get justice. Today was plea taking. We are happy because the other two have been rearranged after they had been released mysteriously. We didn't know how, but we thank God that today they have been rearranged before court. They are properly taken plea, that is Jacinta and Kaba, and we have directions issued by the court. So we are waiting for 20th when the matter shall come for mention for purposes of consolidation of these two files together with the first one. Remember I told you there is the first person who confessed, who was arrested, and out of his confession he mentioned these two individuals having fully participated in planning this event. So we are happy that on 29th this matter is coming up for mention for purposes of further direction and for consolidation. We are happy that at least we've made one step today, and this community can today tell you that they are very happy. They are very happy that this particular woman has been arrested. This is a thorn in the flesh. This woman is selling changa, she's selling bang in large scale, bang being brought in gunias, and the police officers have been taken to where they're being stored. They have refused to take action. So this is a high time, and I think this is sending seismic waves to all other communities in the Republic of Kenya. Don't wait until the police act. If they fail to act, act yourselves. Ombego is here and he will come and take up the matter and run with it.
Not true to the first accused person, Jacinta. Not true to the second accused person.
Okay, I reckon please of those guilty for both accused number 1 and 2. Okay, Mr. Bebea. My Lord, I can see there is a yes.
Yes, on the issue of bond, we pray that that aspect be handled on another day, probably the 20th of September.
That is Mr. Bebea speaking?
Yes, Mr. Bebea, DPP.
Okay.
So the issue of bond and this act, pray that the same can pass in the 20th of September. The reasons are that, my Lord, for the safety, security of the accused persons, pray that they will not be granted bond at this time. As their intentions being around where they reside, where the offense took place.
One thing now we are spreading the command mduki yao. Ado bila umodogi biko koko. Adamo ambao na provoke. No, congratulations.